My daughter needed a new duvet cover for her twin bed, so I went with ROSE&RISY. Let's unbox this and see what it feels like. I had gotten one other comforter from them, actually a sheet set from them, and I was impressed with it, so I decided to order again. So this is a baby blue color ROSE&RISY. It's the twin size. It's a duvet cover set. It says it's soft and comfortable, durable, wear resistant, breathable fabric, and this comes, it's a two-piece. So let's open this up and see. But okay, when I first put my hand in this, oh my gosh, it is so soft. Okay, so here's one piece and the other piece. Oh my gosh. I just want to go put this on the bed and just sleep on it right now. This is definitely very soft. Okay, so let's take this out. Here it is. Here's what the color looks like up close. It's a very pretty light blue color. I would say light blue to, I wouldn't say medium blue, but it's kind of close. Okay, so this is, again, it's the twin size. And this was gifted to me by the brand, by the way. Thank you, ROSE&RISY. And okay, so here we go. This is how big it is. Okay, so let's see here. I'm trying to find where the opening is. Okay, here it is. All right, so here's what the opening looks like on the end. Right here, you can just put your duvet in there. I cannot tell you how soft this is. Oh my gosh. My girl, my Amy girl, is gonna love this. She loves soft things. And it's just very cute right out of the package. Yeah, it looks like a nice duvet cover. I think it says it comes washed, but I'm gonna wash it again anyway. It also comes with a pillowcase, just for like a little tiny pillow. Whoop. This way. And then in the back of it, you'll see that it's got that, the little, you can put your pillow in here, so it's, and then you just like fold it over that way. I like these kinds more than like the other where you just slip the pillow on the one end, because I just feel like this fits in there better. And this is also very soft. So the stitching is nice. Look at that stitching. Here's the stitching on the inside and the outside too. The stitch holds well. And yeah, my daughter is going to be happy with this. So thank you, ROSE&RISY. I love how soft it is. Can't wait to wash this and get it on her bed. So if you're looking for a nice, really soft duvet cover for your twin, or they have all kinds of other sizes, I would definitely check ROSE&RISY out. So highly recommend. Hi! The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I dropped for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey, and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye.